Yo, but anyway, let me tell you now. You say lend them, and take you for idiot. No man can ramp with me. When you do your first interview, you tell the whole Jamaica and the world, say, you see, Ninja Man, I hear me idolize everything. My dream is to work with Ninja Man when I see it. Then them comfy and brain a cattle, one bag of fuck the food to them show up if make it look like me and you for class. When them done, you see them do? Them do and take you for idiot and then them claim to say. There's have no substance to them. I'm not going to tell you something. Them want me to think. With the disrespect, and all of these things that they do, but no matter me. I have one thing to tell them this year. Last year when I like Oliver, at the man at the moment, I don't think at the moment done, you know. So I see why not the passing, I see why nobody not talk about 15. Why not run back to me? I resign from the supply. I'm more than 3 years now, I resign. So I don't need to go. But if you don't want me over there, if you don't go to Gulliver, I not going to work. And if the people don't want to Gulliver and Ninja Man work, then we work with Gulliver now. If you want to book him with me, but if he's not coming, me not going. I mean, not going and let the whole music material go in.
Yeah, the Gargan say.
But me as the man boy, them not call, them not booking you, me not going.
Really serious.
Because me not kill no artist. And I'm going to destroy artist career, because I have to build artist career.
Sure.
If them they guide you and put you in the way how you're supposed to have a bag of it and stop direct your career in about competition, you come out with a love and an energy where the whole world love you. When you come out, everybody should share it. When me get it, we not even know if your countryman is a one so. When me get it, me say, put a blood clot for you, we are trying for every girl want to work off for him. Super give me friend. Super the one next friend, tap so something about and my friend them I tell you go give pay people who will love him. So one have a thunder love then a be here. You can't put a man and the little young man just come. Look how long Gulliver. Gulliver and Yellow Man is the two poorest artists. Because Gulliver I come from a deep separation and we did work before we are separation. You understand? Yellow Man I come from a separation where I even time one minute. You understand? So them two man oh we need to want kill the man. After God bless him and take him out of the dust, then he can go fly from plane and go enjoy life. When me a kill him, what kind of right that you have? You have God, everything when God put bless no one and kill them and destroy. I'm not going to be one of that. I mean, I tell them this year, so I show them, say, man and man, and no money no more than man, and this year I stand up as a man. I mean, I go tell Mr. Lincoln, no, them name thing, a me name thing. Me, Desmond Valentine, original front keep, gold keep, gun front keep, boom, 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 on the man in a damn dog, and me name, sir. Yeah. I'm a boy name, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here. I mean, I tell them this year, guys, I stand up. If the whole new fraternity, for them disrespect not sign me, nah. And if them now book Gulliver 15, we're not going for 15. Then could have given me 10 million US. Them money no more than man. And me, they will me a man, a 3 man in a one. When they born, my mother call me Desmond. When they go, them call me Ugly Man. When they bust in a music, them call me Ninja Man, the original front teeth, whole teeth, Dan Gargan. 3 in 1 and 1 in 3. 3 man stand up like a stove. Let me tell you this. Nobody can get me in a Jamrel if they're not book Gulliver.
That's right. Big man.
Right. Here we go on, people. Ninja Man a sting. Gulliver a sting. And without the Ninja Man and the Gulliver, that these don't have no sting.
Now be over there.
No sting.
That these ain't stinging.
So here we are going. Ninja Man a tree on. Gulliver a tree. And then there's a Milwaukee spunk.
And then
came out them call me countryman.
Now what call it back.
Out of the gully, out of the trash. From gully to the money, from chicken in the plain wings. From home alone to Jella home. Rim!
Boom, 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 boom.
Baka!
Right.
I want to do that.
Anyone who want pound money and can't tap pound, but you have much money.
Yeah, that's how it is. 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100 100
Oh, may I tell you something, Gulliver? Me now ask the man to put Ninja Man and Gulliver continue. I mean, I need to go and show up in the stage. Me want them to say, if them want me to perform, I'm not performing without Gulliver because I'm going to see why Gulliver like a blood class.
Hear that?
I think a friend me look at people like ask people to show up. We don't need people to show up. Then I want to them have a production company and all of who them reject in the industry and take them up and push them back for them to go. Now to tear them something and the music done with. And me think about something now that tear them something where them try to lift up artists, use them and tear them down and fling them on one side, that done. God bless me and give me the power we can turn up and different music pattern, you know, may I bring back the life in a dance hall. May I bring back the love of music in a dance hall. So no man can use the money and try to tear down dance hall. All who come here with the hypocritical and them both to slavery. We not trying that. Now use it when they want and when they don't want, they discriminate and throw it out and spread about a room of power. That's something they not going to work. It's happening to artists over years after years. And when they're ready, they can tell you about some book show with them. We not depend that. They depend say where we stand up for, where we stand up for, and what do I justice. Justice.
Sure. Justice.
You can't lay them man where you want to lay them. Actually, man, believe in it, you feel like them you got somewhere with you. And when you can't have it the way, when you find out you're fucking, you have a turn back. I don't care, I don't need you. One man we need my word. Almighty God. Me no need no man with this, not that. God send every help we need. You understand me? So all I man will feel like me need them friend, I need them company. We don't need it, they have God. And when God starts with all type of company, all type of friend. When you go and say that you know you're going to meet a friend, when you go and say that you know you're going to meet a man that we have a business, a finance that we have, you don't know what is happening in life today. So lean on no one and believe in no one more than the Almighty God. So two me know me believe in that and I know God will do me and I know God can do to every man. Me can tell you about it. You don't need to know talk with nobody more than me, the original Zaban. Not Mr. Lengna everything. A minimum thing. If them not booking blood clot you, them cannot book me. I'm going to tell you something. We have an artist union nowadays. Where if you fuck with one artist, the whole of we will strike against you. And we have a ban you. And that's what we are dealing. So that's my base upon it, you alone. Me on that a mic, one of my million fine when we have with them. If no Gulliver, no Ninja Man. Because when you tell us, you know, the party, and if you spread a room upon them, if you them fall out, they will just leave. You don't come to separate and nobody can say, you come and don't say this and say that. Nobody know when me and them are. We just find a good term, that's all they know. If you have somebody in a business and you and them are leave or break up the business, you don't talk and leave and go. Why you not going like a boy and a cuss this and that and that, that's not necessary. Leave and make the business go on. You know, if you have man, I tear down a man and put down a man, me there as a man, let me tell you this. Me I backbone I country. With different the poorer class people, with different the artists, them are not going like no one take the idiot. If a man this Shabba ranking and in their foreign and in your ear, me defend that at Jamaica. If you're this beanie man and you're not for this, me I defend it. If you are disrespect and this disadvantage of Gulliver, me not stand up and make you take a disadvantage. I want to feel like. And I swear God, it now go rare. And God bless me, and the blessing that God bless me, I share the blessing with the nation. So I can't tell no more disadvantage of people. I want to tell them.
Cheers.
See that Gulliver here? Cheers, a boy can't trick Gulliver. A boy can't outsmart Gulliver.
Them better know that.
Feel like he can outcope Gulliver. How a blind man feel. So I know say them can't go around Gulliver. I'm going at them Gulliver.
Well, may I tell you something, Gulliver? You see them try to go around Gulliver, them buck up on the garden, and you see me, I mean you mark a back. And when you buck me, you buck a pack a shot. Them have to come here with them bag a shot. Because them get a lot of double cut, you hear?
No more also for Blue Steel. Is that cover that?
The boy can't make me flop. God do a career and a pussy can't take that.
Back!
So I tell a boy, say, if them a back and belly rat, them a back and belly last.
We send them go broke house and go broke shop.
But he's baggy and shoes
Some of
and
them have a
socks.
head like a beef. Back!
Original bop.
How do them?
How do them?
They can't take me for food.
Yeah, them a try it hard. All of them on tour and I go on like in the sex and I clown. Smile with them and I laugh.
Yeah, that can't take the money them for food. Yeah, duh.
no time. You feel like. You know what I do? Eh? Big truck a driver, you jump on the truck like you're a conductor. So make sure that you have the second bus stop. So number 2 stop me the truck I use that. The area going, you can't flap the back.
Yeah, we have some work to start off.
Shit.
Oh.
Studio setting.
I'm back, man. I'm based on this song here for kill the world. I intend this job. Need them when I'm going to go like